we'll guide you through how to create arrow AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by clicking the AutoCAD icon to launch the application and wait until it fully loads. Next, create a new drawing by selecting New, or open an existing drawing where you want to insert an arrow. On the Home tab, go to the Annotation panel and click Multi-Leader. You can also type _leader in the command line and press Enter. Click the point in the drawing where you want the arrowhead to appear. This point should show the object or feature you want to reference. Move the cursor away from the object and click to create the leader line. Then move the cursor to the desired location and click again to place the landing line. When the multi-line text editor appears, enter the required annotation text. If you only need an arrow without text, leave the text box blank and press Escape, or click outside the editor to finish. To customize the arrow, select the multi-leader and open the Properties palette, or type _leader style in the command line. You can change the arrowhead style, arrow size, line type, text height, and landing length. If the default arrow style works for your drawing, skip the customization step and use the standard settings. To insert a predefined arrow from the tool palettes, press Ctrl+3 or type tool palettes in the command line and press Enter. In the tool palettes window, find the category containing annotation tools or arrow symbols. Click the desired arrow tool, move the cursor into the drawing area, and click where you want to place the arrow. If needed, continue clicking to set the arrow direction or endpoint. Finally, use the Move command to reposition the arrow, the Rotate command to change its direction, or the Properties palette to adjust the arrowhead type, size, and other settings.